generate value. This simple logics discarded materials, cardboard, cellophane, and plastic components into a cohesive and thought-provoking design. Apollo the blues, brown, browns, and silvers, underscores the complex interplay of diversity and unity that harmony is possible despite differences. While the darker hues acknowledge the challenges inherent in a multifaceted world, the dominant silver symbolizes the vibrancy and potential of life itself. This juxtaposition serves as a reminder that even amidst adversity, hope and progress endure. Ultimately, this ensemble serves as a tangible embodiment of hope for future generations. Repurposing discarded materials, this design advocates for sustainable practices and encourage a shift towards upcycling as means to preserve our planet. For the imperial time, inspired by the timeless elegance of Filipino, this ensemble celebrates culture and sustainability, crafted from repurposed materials such as plastic bottles, cellophanes, rubbers, cardboard, and recycled paper. It transforms discarded items into stunning and exquisite pieces. The delicate flower accent symbolizes beauty emerging from adversity, while the harmonious blend of colors, textures, and shapes highlights the potential for transformation. This creation serves as a powerful reminder that nothing is truly waste. Every object, every individual deserves a second chance. By reimagining these materials, we challenge the notion of disposability and embrace the concept of circular fashion. They did not say trash can, but trash can. Thank you.
Our winner number one from St. Agnes School. On stage, our pair number two from Cervantes National High School.
Students clearance. This unit sends a powerful message of nationalism and patriotism with the color of the country's flag as the main motto. A sombrero made from part plastic bottles, box yarns, and other office waste follows the same concept of nationalistic pride. The sombrero was the design of the Philippine flag, highlighting the sila where the eight rays of its sun. The sombrero also has a touch of regal and aristocratic look to what is made out of crutch. The águila, which is a source of inspiration for Filipinos as it is reminding them of their strength, resilience, and unwavering spirit, is made out of Zorro's battles and broken cities cut into pieces. The starting masterpieces in Venus today have undoubtedly inspired and empowered the talented individuals who created them. Indeed, beauty can be born from the most unexpected sources. Let's inspire others to embrace sustainability and creativity in their daily lives. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Our pair number 2 from Cervantes National High School. On stage, pair number 3, Convenience Lounge Integrated School.
Kalbo ba lang? Ano yung malit ng kalbo?
Integrated School proudly presents its fashion show with the motto, Aquamarine Pleasure. Future inventions and beauty of marine inspired designs brought to life through artistic yet simple ingenious. Our favorite student model Gazelle races the runway wearing an exquisite headdress crafted from Macadamia, adorned with reapers, old seeds, and clothing, and complemented with intricate designs made from gold biscuit wrapper. She also wears a Filipiniana-inspired gown crafted on flower beds as the primary textile, adorned with reapers, gold seeds, and beads. The design is completed with detailed accents made from gold, biscuit, and cheese. To complete the ensemble of our female model, she wears traditional Bacchus sandals, elegantly designed with recycled and adorned with real biscuit wrappers for added detail and great signature. Introducing our male candidate Joven, who showcased an upper body crafted from a recycled shirt adorned with old sleeves and beads. His lower attire is a G-string inspired design made from flower bags and embellished again with reaper sleeves and beads, combining with tradition with sustainability. Inspired by Merman, he wears light armor made of microfibers and cheap wrappers, completing his look with complete rock and biscuit wrappers and decorated with seeds and beads. Worn in his back. For the final fashion, he holds his fire and fireboard rock and cheese. The designs presented by our students
with the music na.
Let's welcome on stage player number 4 from Taguig Integrated School.
Miss Carla J. Bogdan is dazzling us in a dress crafted from recycled materials. Appears to be constructed from plastic bottle cups paired with plastic aprons. And the skirt is made from plastic bottles and jumbo juice wrappers, cut and arranged in a textured layered effect. Her fun gathering is crafted from recycled paper, plastic bottles and cups, and ceramic pieces of CDs. This symbolizes elegance, grace, and femininity of a Filipino woman. Her crafted crown represents modern Filipino woman who embraces femininity. Mr. Darwin Cayosa of TNS takes his place in a bold and sustainable ensemble. His bodies, a masterpiece of repurposed plastic bottles and cups, is a testament to the transformation power of creativity. The intricate design of the upper piece, worn as an accessory and a short, creating a look that is both stylish and environmental conscious, challenges the traditional notions of fashion and sustainability.
This naman yung kapatong na natin.
Is a modern expression of a Filipino identity, blending creativity and mirroring the Filipino cultural trait of adapting and innovating.
Our player number 4 from Taguig Integrated School. And for the final look, we have our 4 pairs on the stage. Pair number 1 from St. Agnes School. Pair number 2, Cervantes. And number 3, Dominion North Integrated School. Taguig Integrated School.
Di ba? Gusto na natin.
Cervantes from Cervantes National High School. One more Cervantes from Cornelius North Eagle School. Cervantes from Taguig Eagle School. Ladies, turn to your right now. Ikaw turn to your right now. Other turn to your right now. And finally, face the audience. Thank you so much. And now we have on stage also our main contestant. Starting out, main contestant from St. Agnes School.
Tingnan mo.